mong bahay? What if kung meron kang 10K at gawin nating 2-story townhouse 44 na provision for 2 bedrooms? Meron ba nun? Yes, meron. Legit ba yan? Yes, 100% legit. At hindi lang yan. Ready to occupy? Check. No down payment? Check na check. Hello there again everyone. Ako po muli ang inyong madiscarding nanay na ahente. MJ Pabustan, ang inyong trusted sales representative under RRCT Realty Corporation. Tara na sa Brentwood Residences located at Barangay Dolores, Capas, Tarlac. The first and only housing project na no down payment at ready to occupy na. Ang abot kayang pabahay hatid sa atin ng Epic Homes Development Corporation. For only 9,999 pesos, pwede na magkaroon ng katuparan ng inyong dream home into reality. Mag-avail at magkabahay na sa abot kayang cash out na for only 9,999 ay ready to process agad through Pag-ibig Housing Loan Scheme. At sa halagang 6K lamang para sa inyong monthly amortization kay Pag-ibig. Magmadali at baka maubusan ka. How? Message nyo po kami dito sa RRCT Realty dahil dito sa RRCT, we find home for you. Thank you so much everyone!